Good morning, students. I hope you understand about plane shapes. Now, today we are going to discuss about solid shapes. But what is the meaning of solid shapes? Solid shapes are shapes that have length, breadth and height. So, first we will discuss about cube. Now, this is pic of cube. Although I will also tell you by showing the original one things so that it will be more clear to you. Okay. Now, first I am going to show you. You can see here it's Rubik's cube. It's Rubik's cubes. Its shape is same. That's why it is called Rubik's cube. Now here we will discuss about surfaces or vertices. Now it is having 6 surfaces or faces. Let's count. 1 upper side you can see, 1 downside, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. It has 6 surfaces or faces, or it is having 8 vertices. Vertices means corners. Let's count corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is having 8 corners. Now students, I will tell you how you can draw a cube easily. So, but you have to watch very carefully. Then you can understand that how you can draw this cube on a sheet or paper. Now let's start. For this, you have to draw square because cube is formed by joining two square. Look here. First, make a square, draw a square. You can use scale. Look here, line should be straight. Now here you can see I have drawn a square. Now what you should do after drawn one, you should put one dot just in the middle of square. Just in the middle. Dot should come in the middle. Now what you have to do, you have to start from the middle where you have put the dot. You have to draw one more square, but starting point is middle point. And both squares should be of same size. Here look. So you have to draw very carefully. Look here. Size should be same. Now look. I have drawn. Size is same. Now what you have to do? You have to match the corner of this square with another square. Now join their corners. This one. Now you can see you have to match these like this. You can see. Now these. Now which one are left? These corners are left. Join them. Now you can see it's very easy to draw a cube. Now so you use same trick to draw a cube. Now we are doing next solid shape. This is cuboid. Again I want to tell you one thing, that two things are similar in cube or cuboid, that both are having six flat faces or surfaces, and both are having 8 vertices. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So both things are same in them. Now I will show you one thing in the shape of cuboid. Here you can see I am having one color box, poster color box. Its shape is like a cuboid. Now it's very easy to learn for you. You can use pencil box to make it more clear if you are having. Now it is having 6 flat surfaces. Let's count. One upper side, one lower side, then 2 and 4 faces are in side. Then total 6 flat surfaces. Again we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it has 6 flat surfaces. Now we will count vertices. It has 8 vertices. Vertices means corners. Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now turn. 5, 6, 7, 8. So it has 8 vertices. Now again I will tell you method to draw a cuboid. You have to use same method as in first cube we have drawn a square because it is formed. Cube is formed by joining two square like this. Cuboid is formed by joining two rectangle. Now start. Look here. You have to draw one rectangle. Again, you can use scale for making straight lines. Look, I have drawn one rectangle. In the same way as you have done in cube, you have to put one dot just in the center of rectangle. Just in the center. Now again your starting point is this center point. You have to start second rectangle from here. Or like cube, both rectangle should be of same size. Look here. Now you can see both are of same size. Now again next step is that we will match corner of first rectangle with the corner of other second rectangle. Now you can see corners, this one, we will join these corners. Look here. Now we will join these corners like this. Now next we will join these corners. Now it's turn off last fourth corner. See, I have drawn now. It's very easy. Oh yeah, you have to use same method. Is that clear? Now we are going to discuss about our third solid shape, that is sphere. Now you can look it. You can see here it is one football. There is one football, or what you can see here, this is curved surface. First you should understand the meaning of curved surface. That what is the meaning of curved? Curved means that is not straight. Curved means जो सीधा नहीं है, straight नहीं है, जिसको बोलते हैं curved means घुमावदार, थोड़ा गोलाई में. As I will show you original one, you can use football or ball. Then you will understand very easily. Here you can see clearly curved surface. There is one curved surface in ball. If you are having football, you can see it means this is not straight. It is curved. Curved means घुमावदार. Is that clear? And I will show you, I will tell you how you can draw it easily. If you are having any bangle, you can use bangle. Use any bangle or round thing. You can use lid of the bottle. Now draw one circle. Hold this bangle so that it will not move. Now see, I have drawn. Now you have to show curved surface like this. Now it's very beautiful now. I have drawn sphere. So like this you can see. Again I am going to tell you about it. so that all point will be clear to you. It has one curved surface. It has no vertices. You can see it has no vertices, means it has no corners. As you have seen here you can see corners in Rubik's cube. In poster color box you can see corners, but here you can see corners, but in ball you can see it has no vertices, no corners. Students, I hope you understand all this. So watch my next video to understand about other solid shapes. Thank you.